Lesson 3E, the National Map Viewer Tool Functionality, Print. The National Map Viewer is a primary access point for the visualization of geospatial data that composes the national map and functions as a tool to enable the use of data in a web environment. In this lesson, we will provide the user with a demonstration of functionality and capabilities of tools in the National Map Viewer. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use the Print tool and select advanced options for printing the maps shown in the National Map Viewer. The National Map Viewer serves as a window into freely available base map data that is consistent on a national level and provides resources to access the data through a variety of products and services. To access the viewer, launch a web browser and navigate to the National Map launch page at the link shown. Once at this site, click the link for the TNM viewer. For help at any time, click the Help hyperlink. Zoom to an area of interest by entering the address or place name in the search box shown in the upper right corner. Close the search results box by clicking the X shown in the right side of the search box. Now we'll discuss the Print tool. Click on the Print icon to open the Print tool. Note that the Print tool may be hidden by the More icon, which will appear as an ellipsis at the end of the row of icons. Choose a layout from the map by clicking on the down arrow in the Layout window. Note that if the map-only format is chosen, this will result in printing only the map and will omit any marginal information. Let's use the letter ANSIA, landscape, to demonstrate. ANSIA refers to the American National Standards Institute's standard for paper size in the U.S., and for ANSIA this is 8.5 by 11 inches. The map title defaults to the National Map Viewer. Click in the map title box to enter a title. We will add Golden, Colorado to the title. Select the desired format for the map by clicking on the down arrow for the format box. Let's choose PDF. We can create a printable file in the map as shown in the viewer, with the specified map title, layout, and format. Click on the Print button to submit all information to create the file. A progress bar appears next to the executing task. Upon completion of the task, a link to the printout file is displayed, with the map title shown as the file name. Click on the file name to open the file in a new window. Click on the Print icon in the upper right corner, and then the Print button, which displays in the upper left corner of the Print window, to print the map. To return to the National Map Viewer, close the tab. There are also advanced print options. Click on the Advanced button to open a menu with advanced print options. The Map Scale and Extent section defines the method that the print service should use to calculate the printed extent of the map. Preserving the map scale may cause the printed map to maintain its scale while recalculating the extent around the existing center point, while preserving the map extent may cause the scale to adjust to fit the current map extent in the printed map. You may also force a specific scale by selecting the Force Scale option and entering a scale of your choice. Note that the current map scale is seen in the lower left of the National Map Viewer. Click Current to populate the value with the current scale of the map. The layout metadata allows you to override the default map text values set by the configuration. Enter values for the author and copyright fields by clicking on the author and copyright boxes. These features allow the map creator to add their name and provide any copyright information that may be related to the information the creator added to the map. Check the Include Legend checkbox to display the legend on the printed map. Note that if you select the map-only format in the Layout drop-down menu, you may provide dimensions for the width and height of the map in pixels. Otherwise, these values are ignored. The Print Quality section allows you to update the resolution of the printed map. Provide an updated value for the DPI, or dots per inch, in the text box. After all options have been set with the applicable values, click the Print button to submit all information to create the file. This creates a printable file of the map as shown in the viewer, with the specified map title, layout, format, and advanced options. A progress bar appears next to the executing task. Upon the completion of the task, a link to the printout file is displayed with the map title shown as the file name. Click the file name to open the file in a new window. To return to the National Map Viewer, close the tab. In this lesson, we discussed how to use the Print tool and select advanced options for printing the map as shown in the National Map Viewer.